What's in the box? What's in the box? We're about to find out. Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Brad, and today I'm going to do a Rollo printer unboxing. I'm a full-time reseller. I have actually been using a printer, like a regular printer with labels. So I've been having to buy ink and labels for the last 3 years. I was running out of labels and I said, I'm done with this. I'm not buying any more ink and printer paper, label paper. I'm going to get something new. So I looked between the Dymo and the Rollo, and I ended up grabbing the Rollo. This is the wireless version, and I'm going to be unboxing this so you guys can see it. I'm going to use it, and then in a couple weeks I'll give you guys my thoughts on if this is a good printer or not. I ordered 500 labels to go with it, and at my current sales that would get me about 3 months, but I've been growing pretty quick, so I'll probably need to order some more pretty quickly. But I didn't want to order a bunch not knowing if this was going to be the bad boy that I went with for the long haul. So here we go. Here's the box, the Rollo, still sealed. Here's some specs for it. No ink, no toner. Of course, you guys know that for thermal printers. Works with Apple AirPrint and works with Android wireless printing from iPhone, iPad, Mac, Android, Chromebook, and Windows. The fastest, most reliable, and affordable way to print. This one does 203 DPI. Just gives me some other information, adapter information. Says it printing life is about 650,000 labels. I thought they just made that up. They just made that up. They do not know. They just made that up. This thing weighs about 2 pounds, and it just arrived at my doorstep. So we are going to crack open this bad boy, see what's in it, get it hooked up, and see how it works. What's in the box? What's in the box? We're about to find out. There's a tab. You don't have to cut it. There's a little tab right here. That's so sweet of Rollo. And now it says void. So now you know that it's been opened. Okay, let's see what is in the box. Hi, I'm Rollo. So you're going to get a little sheet with setup information. Rollo talks via colors. There's some kind of setup thing for this. It's a color guide, so we'll have to figure that out. Oh, okay, this is telling you what's wrong. So this is telling you what is wrong. You can see green is all set. Red blinking is there's an issue. White needs to be set up. Blue, I'm connected to Wi-Fi and ready to receive your print jobs. Red, I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. Green, I'm updating. Purple, blinking, I'm receiving a print job. Woohoo! And purple and yellow, alternating. I'm getting ready. Give me just a moment. So, Rollo apparently has a lot of feelings that he needs to process, and they want to make sure that you know what that means. Questions or concerns, it gives you a little card. Setup support, a website and a number. We have the manual and alcohol pad. And then what you've all been waiting for. So there's a paper in it. Why? I don't know. I've never opened it never owned it before. So how do you open this bad boy? Okay. So they probably keep that in there for safety issues, or just in case you need to print one thing when you first get it. Okay. So here's our little system. It's cute. It's not super big. It's about as long as my hand. You're going to have your power port here, on-off switch, and your port here. But wait, there's more. So in this box we are going to have this cord for the transmission, and we're going to have the two-piece power adapter. Alright. So guys, I'm going to get this set up. This is supposed to work for UPS, FedEx, USPS. Alright guys, so this is supposed to work with UPS, FedEx, USPS, Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, Poshmark, and WooCommerce. I've never heard of WooCommerce. I do full-time eBay. Sometimes I have to print UPS and FedEx postage, but that's about it. But yeah, let's get it set up. Alright, I've downloaded the app and I'm getting ready to start the setup. So let's see how easy this is. Power on. Check. Looking for Rollo. Maybe I should be on the Wi-Fi myself. Now I'm on the Wi-Fi. But it's just trying to connect here for now. Phone to Rollo. So the instructions, or the instructions in the app have told me I'm okay. It's just waiting. So it's flashing red and purple. Purple on that. I'm receiving a print job. Nope. Alright, now we have connected to the Rollo, or we found it. So we're going to connect. Connecting to Rollo. It's important that you know Rollo prints via Wi-Fi and not Bluetooth. So we now have a blue signal here. What does blue tell me? I'm connected to Wi-Fi and ready to receive your print jobs. So let's see what our phone says is next. So I'm gonna have to, this isn't where I'm keeping this, but for photo jobs. Hey there! Ready to start printing in an inkless world? Okay, I've already done this. What is green flashy? It's updating. So it says it is currently updating. Okay, now it's blue. It's connected to Wi-Fi, but now it's going. Update complete. Okay, so now we're updated. Let's try print again. So it popped out tiny like this. So I have to figure out how to get it to switch around. That was the first issue. I haven't printed more than one at a time. It's showing up funny on the screen, so I'm curious. Okay. Okay, so when I do individuals, it's set up properly. You'll see that here. Alright guys, I'm back. I have not tried this on my phone again. I don't really plan to do this on my phone anyway. But I just have some trouble with the formatting, but it was actually an eBay setting, not a Rollo setting. So I found out how to do that on YouTube, change that setting, and this is what we've got. And total setup time with having to do that and find out what was wrong was still under 20 minutes.